For this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through the process of commerce enabling any site. With ElastiPath Commerce Cloud and our composable ShopKit shopping cart plugin, any site can become a commerce-enabled site with very little effort on the client side. With just 3 lines of code on the front-end website and the addition of buttons to add products to a cart, your site will be ready to join the commerce-enabled world. First, let's log into ElastiPath Commerce Cloud Commerce Manager and set up our products. In this case, we already have 2 products which have been created to sell on the Gartner website, as you can see here. The Digital Workplace Summit Conference for $1,450 and the Gartner Magic Quadrant Reports for $20,000. What's even more interesting here, however, is that no products need to be created within Commerce Manager in order to sell from your website. With ElastiPath Commerce Cloud, we give you the ability to create custom cart items directly on our website, sell them through our flexible cart system and order system. Now let's take a look at your website, Gartner.com. We've downloaded your entire homepage from Gartner.com and made some modifications for this demo. As you can see here, this is your standard Gartner website. We've made 2 changes on the first page. First is Become a Client, has been replaced with Buy Reports Now. Second, we've replaced the call to action for View Conferences on the homepage to a Register Now button, which allows the user to register directly on the website and check out. I'm going to modify my cart so that I can take 4 other colleagues with me to the Digital Workplace Summit. If I'm satisfied with my order, I can check out now. But in this case, I want to purchase the Gartner MQ reports as well. Add it to my cart, and now I'll continue to check out. What you see now on the screen is our standard inputs for checkout. Checkout with the order and, in this case, we'll pay with Stripe as our payment provider. After entering my email address and payment card information, I'll be able to pay the $27,250 for my purchase. This is using the guest checkout stream. And now we'll flip over to Commerce Manager to show you the order. Here on the screen you can see that the order status is complete and the payment is paid. We have not yet marked this as fulfilled. Now I'd like to show you some real-life examples. This is the website for Carpet One. Carpet One came to ElastiPath looking to easily commerce enable their existing websites in a short term while building into a full online experience. The site you see here is the same one Carpet One had before coming to ElastiPath, with one major difference. The previous site had no commerce capabilities. Now Carpet One allows customers to choose their flooring samples directly on their website as well as their local store. This allows Carpet One to sell samples while their digital transformation is taking place and generate leads for local store members. This transformation took less than 4 weeks using ElastiPath Commerce Cloud and the ShopKit SDK. Carpet One is a franchise-based enterprise. With ElastiPath, they were able to commerce enable over 1,000 stores in just over a month.